Hello everyone, welcome to ProTech Station. It's great to see you all. Today I am going to show you a trick how to use a credit card to open your Tesla Model S. Yes, that's right, it's Tesla Model S, not Model 3. The Model 3 you can use a Tesla card to specifically open the door, but on the Model S, you have to use a key fob. But today, I'm going to show you how to use a credit card to open the Model S. And there are a few requirements that you need in order to make this to work. First of all, you need your door handles to be broken. Okay, put the jokes aside. My Tesla Model S door handle actually broke and I could not open the door with my bare hands. So I'm going to teach you how to use a credit card in emergency to temporarily open your Tesla Model S door if it happens to be broken. And this trick only works for if your Model S door handle, inside there's a gear, and if the gear is broken and when you pull the door handle will open. This trick will work, but if your Tesla Model S door inside the wiring is broken, then this trick will not work. But hold on a second, if you are a Tesla Model S owner and your door handle is not broken, I do recommend you watch this video as well, because even though your door handle now is not broken, but I can guarantee you in the future, your Tesla Model S door handle will break at one point. Because I have two Tesla Model S and total there's are because I have two Tesla Model S and total of 8 door handles have broken down within the last 2 years. So I guarantee you in your lifetime, well, not in your lifetime, in a couple years or so, you will see your door handle breaks. These door handle break so easily, it's like Fisher-Price toys. So I do recommend you to get an idea, just in case if your door handle breaks, you know what to do. If you are planning to buy a Tesla Model S, I do also recommend you watch this video, because for Tesla Model S, these door handle does break, and it's something for you to consider as well. So stay tuned to the video and see how I managed to open the door with just a credit card. By the way, if you like this video, can you do me a favor? Please help me smash that like button. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does support the channel big time. So let's get the video rolling. Okay, I'm going to show you the problem of the door handle. So I'm going to use my key fob to open the door. As you can see, the front right door handle will not open. So that means the door handle is broken. So if I try to unlock it, keep unlocking it, it will not open. So if the door handle does not pop out, how do I open it? So I'm going to show you how to use this credit card to open this. So all you have to do is use a credit card, slip it in, and then pry it open. And then there you go. You can open the door. Voila. As simple as 1, 2, 3. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching the content. Please feel free to drop me a comment below and let me know if you have any questions about Tesla Model S, or if you would like me to make a certain video about Tesla. Feel free to let me know. I also will leave my Tesla referral links on the bottom of the description. Feel free to check them out. You can get extra miles for supercharging if you use the referral code. And please feel free to subscribe to the channel if you like the video. That way, if I have any new video, you'll be notified for any new video coming up soon. And if you like the video, please feel free to share the video to families and friends, which I am very greatly appreciate. And also, you may follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be on the bottom of the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please feel free to drop me a comment if you have any question about Tesla Model S. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching the video, and feel free to drop me a comment if you have any question about Tesla Model S or so. You may follow me on so there you have it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Feel free to drop me a comment if you have any question about Tesla Model S, or if you would like me to make a certain Model S video. I will put that into consideration.
Dude,